So we want to start off on the right foot here, and the way we want to do that is to make sure that you're watching this in HD video. So I'm on another course of mine which has to do with securing WordPress websites, and I have my audio muted, but as you can see this is a little blurry, and that's because this button right here that says HD is not highlighted. So if you go ahead and click that, then that'll restart the video in HD, and you can see this is much clearer. And that's the way we want to take a look at this course, because when you're coding, the last thing you want to have to worry about is trying to actually read what code is there. So I'm going to be using a nice size font, so it should make it pretty easy for you. But what we're going to do is go ahead on to the next section. Also, I do want to note you could put captions on, but the captions aren't complete on this course because it's really hard to add captions to a programming course. So captions really not an option. But now you should have HD. Make sure you're watching this in HD. All the videos are recorded in HD. And from here, let's move forward.